Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to create a pivot table so you can easily summarize and analyze your data. Step 1. Arrange your data. First, ensure that your data is organized in a table format with column headers. Step 2. Insert pivot table. Click on any cell in the data range and select the Insert tab. In the ribbon, click on the Pivot Table button and Tables 2. Step 3. Create Pivot Table. In the Create Pivot Table dialog box, ensure that the correct data range is selected and choose where you want to place the pivot table. Then click on OK to create the pivot table. Step 4. Add fields. In the right hand side, Pivot Table Fields pane, drag and drop the fields you want to use the pivot table into the rows and the columns and values section as well. Here I am dragging executive names and the region for the this thing and unit. Some of the unit will be values, so it is plotted here. So step 5, apply filters. You can apply filter as well. You can also drag the report filter section, and you can here I am dragging the item name, so that has come on filter, and you can sort it accordingly, and you can choose which one you want to see, or you can select all so that you can see everything. So every total sum of the orders I have got here. So now you can customize the calculations as well. Here it's taken a sum, but after going to the value settings, you can change it to count also. So it will show the count of the orders. That means number of orders. It will not show the sum. So here I need sum, so I have selected a sum function here. So it will show the sum of the total orders and all the reason by executives. So also you can design the pivot table from the design tab. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can create a pivot table in Excel to easily analyze and summarize your data. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.